Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. If you are new here, you're welcome. For today's video, I'm gonna be attempting to do my makeup with an auto makeup applicator. It's not a brush, not a beauty sponge. It's kind of a mechanism makeup applicator that you use on your face. This one I'm using comes with a battery. Some has an electrical, like you have to plug it to use it. This is the auto makeup applicator from Skin Prep. I've had this for about a year now. I think the first time I bought it, I only had a swatch on my hand. I didn't literally use it on my face or anything to try and do a full look. I just swatched on it to see how well this product was working out, and at that time I didn't really like it. I just abandoned it and left it there for a while. But for today, I decided to put this auto makeup applicator to test if it's actually good to apply makeup without using your brush or your beauty sponge. I bought this product from Wowcher. Yes, Wowcher. Obviously, I do get notified by their email when they have something good going on, like a deal. So that's when I bought these, and this cost like £90. I literally spent £90 on it because everybody was looking for something to do their makeup very quick and easy. So I just feel like it's not bad to actually buy something that's gonna work well for your skin, which I bought but I didn't use it. Shame on me, shame on me. But don't worry, we're gonna put this to test today. Hopefully it works. You know, I'm just hoping it works because I literally spent £19 on this thing right here. It comes with a full-blown packaging, packaging for it. I've thrown away the made paper packaging and just left these bits that it has like 5 sponges. I think you change them. I don't know if it says wash them, but it has 5 sponges, and there's already one at the tip of this auto makeup applicator. This is the one I used to do a swatch on my skin back then, while the other 4 are very new and clean. There's no place to keep this, that's why I left it in the packaging. Hopefully we're gonna do a full face using this makeup applicator. Like, come on, it should work. You know, it should work. Just to let you know, I've already prepped and primed my skin with moisturizer and a primer, so we're gonna head to use our foundation. For the foundation today, I'm gonna be mixing my 2 foundation sticks, one from L'Oreal, this is their shaping stick, and the other one from Makeup Revolution. This is their new foundation stick, fast base. This is in F13 and this one is in 220. So I'm just gonna lightly mix these 2 together as my foundation today. I'm gonna be putting the Makeup Revolution just closer to the inner part of my face. And I'll be applying the L'Oreal foundation stick to the outer corner of my face. Oh, I think I need to do a versus video. They're similarly close to each other, like, come on. So now we're gonna blend this all out using our auto makeup applicator. I'm gonna take this off for, is it called skin reason, because this has been on since over a year. This how you take this off, okay, to give you a very plain silicone base. And this is a new one. I'm gonna attach this to here. Come on, wear up. I got time. There we have it, guys. Our auto makeup applicator is fresh and ready to use. So there's a button right here that turns it on, and you're gonna hear a very quiet silent sound. I bet you heard that, so just stop blending now. This is vibrating. It does not have like a very movement or motion of moving across your face. I guess your hand has to do the work, but it's just vibrating. Okay, I don't know what this is doing. Honestly, I haven't gone far, but I'm already seeing this as a waste of time. Should I slide it? Because me, not right now, I don't even know how to blend. Should I do a tapping motion and slide it? Because I don't know what vibe this is. giving me. So let's not ignore our double chin and underneath our neck. I guess with this applicator, auto applicator, I don't see what it's doing, but because I'm literally doing the work by sliding this across my face, I can use it as a massager. Okay. Well guys, this is the blending that, as you can see, the auto applicator just done. So I'm gonna go ahead to put my concealer and let's see if it's gonna blend too. I'll be mixing these two Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 45 and 40 for underneath my eyes. At first I thought I love this concealer, but I actually ate it. It's just creasing up on me. And a bit of 40 on top of it. I like 40 because it's light, so it can give me that a lot. So we're not finished yet guys, so I'm going to use this auto makeup applicator to blend my concealer out. Now I'm so hungry. This is very funny because this cannot reach. This cannot reach literally underneath my creases, my eye. So I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm gonna try. Okay, seriously, this is not bad. It's actually blending, but it takes a lot of time. That's really give me a flawless blend. Honestly guys, this is not bad. I actually like it, but I won't be using it regularly, not even a chance. It's good. It's actually blending well. It's actually making my face, my product, the makeup flawless, blending, but it's literally a waste of time. Like I had to that slide this across my face, do a dabbing motion, you know, tap in and out. Like that's just waste of time. With the brush I would have done my face and be done by now, but this is just time consuming, but it's very effective of blending. I don't like the fact that it's very tiny and small, and the only thing it's doing is just vibrating. I literally see nothing that's doing other than vibrating. I feel like the little sponge on top is the one that gives the makeup smooth finish, smooth bits and everything, but the vibrating of this, I don't see what it's actually doing. I don't get that part, but honestly it blends the rest open face, but areas like corners of my nose, underneath my eyes and curves of my face, it's difficult to get this product in there because of the shape of this product. Very complex round shape that is unlike beauty blender, which is very pointed, or your makeup brush, which is very like widespread and stuff, but this is just like actually complex. So I'm gonna apply this just on top. Oh, that's a low shade. And the next one, currently I have two highlighters here on this auto makeup applicator, and I just need to use this to actually make sure it's blended together. Ooh, I'm gonna tap a little bit. Okay, I like this. Very sharp and the finish is brilliantly good. You can't really tell that I have a liquid eyeliner on, but there's a liquid eyeliner right across my face. Just to boost my glowy face, I'm just gonna highlight a little bit part of my cheekbone with my Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlight. That's it guys, so that is the end look and bit to this my skin prep auto makeup applicator from Wowcher. I like the finished look. It's just the fact that it can go in corners of my face, which I want. I did not bake my face because I just want like glowing, dewy skin. I didn't want like a matte setting bake and stuff. So like this finish, I like it. I just want to stop here. What do I think? I think you don't really need these. You don't. But if you want to, you can go ahead and purchase this. I would prefer to use this on the liquid highlight part. You can see that blend is actually flawless. Foundation, not so sure. Concealer, definitely NO. But maybe something like the highlight and like a liquid blush. Those, yes, it's definitely good for it. Yeah, so I like it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the finished look? It's not bad, literally, to talk about this. It's not bad. So I'll definitely be keeping it for the liquid highlight. So that's it. This is the end of this mini trial tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment below on your thought. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please do so before you go. And thank you guys very much. Don't forget to share this video across your friends, your family, your loved one, all over the social media platform. And guys, don't forget to watch my previous video, and I'm gonna be seeing you on my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to all this. So peace out.
Me, I get a girl I go die for. I get a girl I go sing for. 50 girls on default, but now you be the one I go kill for. Baby girl, you be jailer. Handcuff me, no go leave me. Oh, you be one in a million. Baby, chop on my million.